Hello everyone, thank you for stopping by again. So today, as you can see by the title, I am doing an unboxing. I spoke about wanting a pair of white sandals from my previous triple unboxing video where I bought my Christian Dior Douai sandals in the light gray color. I told you guys that I wanted to get a pair of white sandals, and even after owning those, they're pretty light. I just still have this little craving that I wanted these white sandals. So I kept searching and searching because I wanted to get some luxury sandals, and I came across these Louis Vuitton ones. And I know I've spoken about Louis Vuitton and their quality before, but I do not own a pair of shoes from Louis Vuitton, so I wanted to go ahead and give them a try. I'm sorry, I know you probably saw the light get a little bit darker, and it's because I am I'm sitting next to a window, so this is natural light. So if you do see that occurring, that is why. But I'm really excited to open these shoes because I do want a pair of white sandals really bad for this summer, and I feel like these are a perfect pair for me. So let's move on and go on with the unboxing. So they come in this large box here, not sure why, but it is quite a large box for a pair of shoes. So just pull this tab, which is much easier than having to utilize a box cutter or a knife. Okay, so right away I see my return label and my receipt and a thank you, but it is not in my usual envelope. So I usually get my receipts and things in an envelope, but not this time. That's okay. And another thing I see is that I have no ribbon, and it's not included in the box either, so that's okay. Let's move this box out of the way. So that's shitty. So the box isn't even assembled properly. It's just like that. This is supposed to be pushed down into the flap, and what? Okay, I didn't get 2 separate dust bags as I should, and the shoes are just thrown in there, like rubbing up against each other, just thrown in there. So yeah, the box should be assembled like this. Like that. And the shoes should be in like this. So that right there just tells you what I'm talking about with their quality. Like, come on, take the time to put the box together. And if you're gonna do this, like, I wish they would just wrap them nicely separated, because they're just thrown in here like, who the heck cares, you know? Like, oh my goodness, that just makes me so upset. Anyway, let's continue with this unboxing. Let's take this crap out of the way. So moving on from that, the shoes that I've purchased are these. And these are the front mule sandal. Sorry, I'm just mad that they do this crap. And that is why I have started to purchase from other brands, just for the same reason. I mean, not just because of the quality of the items, they have just declined drastically, but I mean, just in shipment, you can tell how much thought they put into that, which was none at all. No care in the world, and that just makes me upset. But anyway, I totally forgot the name of the sandal because of that, so I do apologize. I'm going to look it up for you. so that I tell you correctly, are the Locket Flat Mule sandal. And it comes in 3 colors. They come in white, black, and what they call cognac, which is a tan or camel color. And these shoes retail for $675 US. I purchased these in a size 37, and again, just by looking at them, I can tell that they fit. They are very beautiful. They have the logo there, size 37, made in Italy. And I mean, they're beautiful sandals. You can't take that away from it. They are very beautiful. Hopefully the quality is there, and I do think it will be. Well, like I said, I haven't tried their shoes before, but hopefully these will last me. And I got a 37 because I am a true 6.5 in US sizes, and my Douai Christian Dior sandals seem to fit perfect in a 37 as well. So that's why I went with a 37 with these. And I do love them. They are very nice. You can't see any crazy logo going. It is in the same color as the sandal, so you really can't notice it, and I do like that. Alright guys, so again, this is my unboxing of this sandal, and again, the name of it is the Locket Front Mule sandal. And just by walking in them, I can tell they're going to be very comfortable. They do feel true to size, so I am a 37. I feel like they will go with many different outfits. They are very neutral in my opinion. So I'm excited that I got these, and hopefully I will love them. I will let you know definitely if I do or not. But again, let me put these on. Again, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And let's not forget to be kind to one another. Like I always say, that is super, super important. And I will see you guys in my next video. I will leave 2 of them linked here above if you do want to continue watching. And I will see you next time. Please take care. Bye guys.